Can you see yourself in the 2017 Kia Sorento? With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this stylish Sorento, a smooth-riding road trip cruiser. This midsize crossover offers a versatile interior layout with 3-row seating, standard infotainment system, and advanced safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, sun moonroof, navigation system, satellite radio, fog lamps, backup camera, power liftgate, power passenger seat. Prepare to build lasting family memories in this smooth, spacious Sorento. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.